Hey guys, Shay here from Metra Electronics. We've partnered with VIBE Audio and are offering a plug-and-play audio kit for the Jeep Wrangler JL. These kits offer replacement speakers, vehicle-specific amp racks, amplifiers, and a subwoofer that mounts on the rear tailgate. Well, now we're offering a vehicle-specific subwoofer enclosure that works for the Jeep Wrangler JK and the Wrangler JL for purchase as an independent part number. This is the VIBE BAMIT12-V4. This enclosure was developed with VIBE Audio's multi-installation technology. So this enclosure utilizes the tailgate for mounting, saving valuable space in the cargo area. This enclosure comes preloaded with a 12-inch VIBE Audio BlackAir shallow mount subwoofer featuring a purpose-built motor assembly capable of handling up to 300 watts RMS and 900 watts of peak power. The dual 2-ohm voice coil provides flexible wiring options and are easily configured at the enclosure's quick disconnect plug, offering a 1-ohm or 4-ohm load for your amplifier. This front-firing sealed enclosure's design produces deep thunderous low end while offering premium MDF construction, ensuring durability and acoustic accuracy. Every detail is engineered to work seamlessly with the included VIBE subwoofer, delivering exceptional bass performance tailored to fit the tailgate of your Wrangler JK and Wrangler JL. So check out our lineup of VIBE audio kits, direct fit speakers, and now subwoofer enclosures on our website at metraonline.com.